Igbo be waking kwa one Evangelist Ebuka Obi begin talking I do. Now we keep up with the cheap watching. Cheap watch, come and look, come and see the kind of happiness in the mother niru. Bia follow happiness in the mother niru chineka akpo no ko bia follow happiness in the mother niru. So I say now how this thing with audio because a lot of criticism there, because I fail to understand that now. How can some people be used to taking the marriage they used to celebrating her job and mother go for transformation on a videos in a bujele and before the name go video soon on a quiet video put an every book in our laws or that and how we post to be ready. Manando would do to excitement. Opposed to where I say God is so kind, he made mention of that uza na video me mbane okoko transformer. So a lot of ndi londo so chi bundi chineke ya bono we put an comment section on some of these videos naba. No audio na imakuye wo transformer na yeje na nepa na yeje go na wo transformer ego no ko na enweta na aka ndị mmadụ o jiwe na goodness of transformer. How much is one transformer? I'm just asking. Na ndị abụkwa ndị arrange no nwekwa ike no fake one no nwere nka no nwere nke ọzọ, because once na ndị aya agba Christmas with ọkụ na before Ubulu nkana. I want to categorically show you people that na this transformer has landed in that village. Transformer land go emegi offload. So tupu na achọkwa ihe ọzọ na ekwu enwezi ike mgbe ọkụ chala. That is when you people will not believe it. Mana ongoing road project na nga on. Transformer land go transformer n'obodo. Kezi just onwebo in this video, just take your time, go through it, give happiness the good and the mmadụ n'iru. Enwere ebe ihe ọma ndị ihe ọma na ha adị mma, mana also those people, those wicked individuals na ha like ebe ihe ọma dị ihe ha dị after ya bụ nka nke lụrụ anyị na ekwesịrị inye anyị nka. Unu ebe ahụ unu na-ekwu dati na onweboro onye pụtasị who are those responsible for giving these people light? Why haven't they done what is right in the eyes of people first? So you na-achị gwa m na enwere ndị dị responsible make sure na ọkụ na-enwu n'obodo ahụ. Mana anya bedogo gịnị no ndụ n'afọ everybody pretend ya unu afọzi ebe ihe ọma bịalụ mmadụ, because this thing ka na-agba mara dị eche. This thing na-agba mara, that's only but not like this nature. How can people be so used to ikwu ihe ọjọọ about mmadụ that na mgbe ha fụgodila ebe ihe ọma ma including ndị nwe obodo ahụ ndị nọ n'obodo ahụ anọ. They keep saying no bagowe, and then weta eziokwu gịnị wee me ego ne ko na ndị ba ego ne ko na ndị bunu ego ne ka ndị bunu na to in offering na that church. Mmadụ onye si na village na Zion mini agbamoto isi Zion ministry esi village na abịa Zion na Lagos. Mmadụ onye na watch Zion to the end that can be able to see when account number is displayed to pay offering. Mmadụ onye na-eme nwe ya. Is that village doesn't have somebody that represents you people in House of Assembly or state senator or those local government chairman or even governor obodo? Or not here with allocation about. And some of you refuse to think that okay, actually in the election, ballot box in the Luna village, you know that the lowest of the lowest primary school no there. Manambato tells the election on your also. Still, people will not sit down and celebrate it because the home and them well na anyo no result. The home and them mo chineke choli home because in any hane like home bialage, because I keep wishing that na I wish in Evangelist Ebuka Obi by village. I wish no Evangelist Ebuka Obi by village. Just unable na keep telling God, please go in halutem na my village. That is all I have to say. So you want the money gemanti in this video. And then look one and easy. God one.
It's back. It's back. It was back. Keep borrow down up for construction of our road. Onya muma jiwe de bube. Keep bole ya. Bole onya muma jiwe de bube na Ubulu Ihejiofor. This is his house. The transformer has arrived at his residence here in Ubulu Ihejiofor. Here is it. Yeah, is it? Welcome, 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 welcome. For construction of road. You can see it. Marimbo, the construction company, getting ready for the construction of the road. You can see it. This is the rod for the gutter. You can see it. The irons which they have constructed and or fixed, whichever way. I'm not an engineer or a construction company worker. You can see it. A lot is going on here in Ubulu Ihejiofor, courtesy of the great prophet of our time. You can see it. So a whole lot is going on here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The great prophet of our time who made this possible. Talking to prophet. You can see the excitement from our people. We are so happy and grateful for our own son, our illustrious son, the great prophet of our time, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Thank you so much. We own this. It is by the grace of God. It is not by his power. Wow, 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 wow. This is lovely. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, the palace of Honorable Honorable Vincent Obi. Now, the father to the great prophet of our time. This is his palace in Ubulu Ihejiofor. We are so happy and grateful to God who made this possible. We know it is not by our power or by our making, but it is by a special grace of God who made this possible. To God be the glory. Hallelujah. Is it? I can see the excitement. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. You can see the happiness, the excitement. Yeah? Wow, wow, wow. This is lovely. Wow, 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 wow. You can see the excitement from him. Wow. Wow, wow. Our people are so happy. Wow, wow. We will be having lights, 24 hours electricity, courtesy of the great prophet of our time, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Onyamuma Ihejiofor na Ubulu Ihejiofor. Onyamuma na emekwa gi ise eme. Hey, you can see the happiness from our people. This is beautiful. The offloading commence. Wow. So God be the glory. Who made this possible? It is not by our making, not by our power, but by the special grace of God. Zion will move, Zion will fly. Everywhere you go is Zion. Zion leads, others follow. The transformer has arrived from Lagos State. You can see it currently being offloaded at the residence of the great prophet of our time, Oyamuma Ihejiofor. There it goes. Wow. Wow. unu tonu chukwu no le tokwa chukwu ete.
Unu le kaba onye na
Unu le tokwa chukwu. Monde se unu to chukwu no le tokwa chukwu. Unu to chukwu no le to chukwu. Ine ba ko ba ko e gburu wayo. Tokwa chukwu. Nacha.
ila yona afro le sile jana yona. Afro ma le go fam pam. Ole kiri mo woni.
Ese?
Ole su. Yona. Nacha. Ha. Ai wa fa na mo mako. Afro mo wona ko e bu ya pam.
Okay le wu.
Ona de mana. Ila ja kansa.
Kele diri chukwu. Mana so na I see that transformer na. Okay, umeze? Ine jizi fa na rehe ora?
So.
Chai.
Ezoku.
Chai. Ekele diri chukwu. Okwe la kere?
Ai na fa mo ana na afia.
Ole kwere hin na gwanya mu mai, ke hin na gwanya mu mai. Ke hin na oya mu man butari here, ke ntise, ke ekele na here.
Mo ata yan.
Ekele chukwu Ebuka no so bi oya mu ji wede ebube.
Ebuka Obi.
Ole hin na kwe?
Eja. Ai mo ayi ija do do.
Ise?
Ija rikorido.
Ise?
Na turudo.
Ise?
Omi aja mani.
Oh God.
Ija do do.
Ite?
Hey, I can't deny one.
Chai. Yeah, church of words. There it goes. Is it? Chai, I can see the excitement. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Wow. You can see the happiness, the excitement. Yeah? Wow. This is lovely. Wow. Chai, you can see the excitement from him. Wow. Our people are so happy. Wow. We'll be having lights, 24 hours electricity, courtesy of the great prophet of our time, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Onyamuma ji wede ebube na no Ubulu Ihejiofor. Onyamuma na emekwa gi ise eme. Hey, you can see the happiness from our people. This is beautiful. The offloading commence. Wow. To God be the glory. Who made this possible? It is not by our making, not by our power, but by the special grace of God. Zion will move, Zion will fly. Everywhere you go is Zion. Zion leads, others follow.
This